Welcome back. We start with a new presentation. Before that, a little bit introduction of myself. Myself, Chitra Sharma, Assistant Professor with AISSMS College of Hotel Management. The subject which I am covering is front office, and the topic will be pre-arrival activities part 2. In the earlier presentation, I have given a brief introduction about what is pre-arrival means. Again I'm getting back to you. It's basically a proactively engaging your guest prior to their arrival, which will make them not only important, but also it opens up an opportunity for communication and marketing. And before the guest arrives in your hotel, it's the best time to upsell the rooms and ancillary services to enhance their stay experience. Now, what is a group guest? What is a group arrival? According to definition, it is a front office team has to be prepared for receiving a group in the hotel. They should also make sure that the requested rooms are ready at the time of group arrival, and also the room blocking has been done as per the rooming list sent by the travel agent or company. So what are the pre-arrival activities which are done before the group arrival? Either it is done 1 or 2 days before. Proper duty roster must be prepared accordingly and to be approved by front office manager. That means appropriate staffing level should be considered according to the group movements. We need to read appropriate the group folder and contract, what is mentioned in there, what are the requirement we have to fulfill, what are the amenities we are supposed to give. We have to look for the guest arrival profiles. We have to look for the history and any special remarks is there. We have to make a note of all relevant guest requirement and special needs. We need to know the ascertain the arrival and departure time of the group also, so that it helps the reservation department to take further reservation based on the departure time of the group. We need to check the group reservation for the rate code, what it has been given, what is the room rate they have picked up, and what are the meal packages are attached. And we have to make sure the instructions are according to the group contract. We shouldn't vary from the what is there in the contract and what we are giving them. We need to print the rooming list sent by the travel agent or the company from wherever they are coming, and we have to cross check the number of guests who are going to occupy a room is correct or not. If required, we have to the billing instructions for the example, if the shares are also required, an invoice at the time of checkout has to be prepared. Cross-checking of the billing instruction on PMS for all the group rooms and the group payment is very must, so that we don't do any kind of mistake over here. And certain times the mistakes which are created really can create a negative impact for the hotel. We need to create a proper routing instruction on all group rooms to the group payment master. Like if the billing instruction of room travel agent, and this will also help to have a smoother checkout experience for the group members and also cashiers. We have to print arrival report for the data of groups arrival and check room allocations. We need to take a note on the room allocation if any special needs are there, like if they are honeymooners, their wedding anniversaries or birthdays or something. We have to take care of this. We have to look for the if any extra bed is required or if baby cot is required, and we need to send a notification to the housekeeping department. We need to prioritize the early group arrival and the room type requirements. Rooms, whether it's a non-smoking room, we have to allow. Whether there is a single lady room, we have to allow. We also have to ensure the housekeeping and service, room service and engineering are aware of any special needs for this group, and we need to send a requisition form for the same. Group welcome letter has to be prepared and it has to be neatly folded and kept in an envelope. We have to call up the group coordinator and reconfirm the arrival time of the group. We need to communicate all the VIP and suite rooms allocation with the guest service. We need to give requisition form to the room service for the group welcome drink and the cold towel. The forms which are generated during the stages are hotel position, movement list, that is arrival and departure list, group arrival reports, VIP and SPAT list, 10 turn acquire report, and revenue forecast report. This is a format of group arrival report, how actually it looks like, and what the status clearly shows there with the guest name, the type, the room number, when they are arrived, when they are departing, everything it clearly shows. This is a proper group arrival. If you can see in the room, in the last column, there is a leader where it is given, and he is occupying a single alone. There is no extra occupant in his room. Whereas in other groups, you can see two people are sharing it. Group leader always gets a single room. So let's have a very good quick recap. What we saw in this presentation. We saw the definition of a group arrival. We saw the pre-arrival activities for the group. We saw the preparation for the group arrival and their coordination with the other department for the same. So to conclude, we can say that the interaction between the guest and the hotel before the guest arrives at the hotel forms a pre-arrival phase of the guest cycle, and the data collected during the process of reservation can be utilized for further front office and sales activities. Thank you for the patient hearing. Attempt the quiz given in the description box, and that's all for the presentation. Be safe and take care.